Next Level Mindset bringing you another powerful and positive video. Asking for subscribers too early. How many times have you watched the video and as soon as the video opens, somebody's asking you to subscribe, right? Even before you know what the channel is all about, they're asking you to like the video, to share it out with somebody, hit the subscribe button, buy some of their merchandise, join their community, and you really haven't even got a chance to see what they're all about. So what I've learned to do on my channel is to offer value before I ask for subscribers. So think about that. Solutions you can solve, problems you can answer for your community, then ask for the subscribers. But that's the mistake the content creators are making. Doing wrong on YouTube, asking for subscribers too early. There are some creators who don't even ask at all. I wouldn't even suggest that because a lot of times we don't have it because we don't ask for it. So as long as we're able to offer some value, provide some solutions first, that's a great time to do it. Experiment with it. Do what's best for you. That's what I found that has worked for me. Experimentation, like I talked about, what works for one channel may not necessarily work for another channel. There's a lot of things that we can do in our own channel. Experiment, taking the chances, being able to step out the box, being able to take a chance and bring something new to the platform. And maybe you're watching this right now and all you really need is some mindset strategies, the mentality of being a content creator. It can get tough sometimes. It really can get tough. I want to share this video with you right here. 3 mindset methods every YouTuber needs to succeed. I think that would be a great video for you to watch next. So check that video out. See me over there. Thanks again for watching and subscribing, becoming a part of the family. Grab some product and take it home with you. Stay blessed, stay positive. Nothing that needs to be done that together we cannot do. I'll see you on the next level. Peace.